What do we have, sir?
Okay, well, we're drying, so I can't really do as much as I wanted to as of yet.
But boy, is that secure.
Yes, well, I've got a piece of wrought iron bar.
Steel.
Well, steel, flat stock. I'm not the best with all that crap.
Yeah, that's race car stuff that's laying in there.
Pinched to hold the glued carpet behind everything. All the front is glued and trimmed, and it just looks so much nicer and neater.
Way better.
I've got everything trimmed around the hump for the tunnel, so.
It's trimmed before you hump anyway.
Well, then sometimes it's a little bit of guacaloots and it's in.
Oh my God.
You know. So we don't have much left for that. I'm waiting on the other door jamb switch, which we finally got it out.
Yeah, you finally got that one out.
Finally.
That was a fight. You had to break it and pull it.
No, I just pulled on it a little bit and snapped two pieces. I'm like, all right, well, that's
Thank
saving
God.
the problem. So I pulled the rest of it out the back. When the new one comes in, I'll put that in, and then I can do all the B-pillar trimmings and the seat belts, so the back half of the car will technically be done. And I just got to fix, I don't know if you can see in here, the perfect mechanic person thingy, whatever the hell you want to call that useless bag of skin and blood that screwed this car up so bad. I'm going to finish trying to fix the trim that goes around the back window so that when we give this back to our client, he is 100% satisfied.
Satisfied.
Yes. Satisfied, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry.
Calm down. You're going to make a mess.
Oh, you know, hey.
Sticky.
It's been a couple hours.
What? I want to know what goes down when I'm not here.
No, you probably don't.
Is that why we're out of toilet paper?
Well, that and they got the chain this time. All right, cool.
Oh, God. All right.
Remember that thing of swinging from the chandelier? Well, you know, hey.
We ain't got a chandelier, but...
Remember, my legs can go behind my head.
Oh! No one needs to know that shit. Anyway. Okay, here we are. Carrying on.
Yes,
Up here, both of them are done now, right?
Let's take a quickie peek so this way we can be updated.
Update! I like how it's multiple time a day update.
Yes.
See, that's called communication.
Correct.
So, the pigtails that came today?
Pigtails
done.
are in. I just need to do some final touching up and buttoning so that everything looks respectable and neat.
We did all of our measuring. Oh yeah, you're gonna do a little tidy up.
Yeah, I just want it to look right and
There's
proper,
one
that's all.
that needs bag and tag right there too.
Oh, yeah, that's right. So, I mean, I've got that
Bag
other one to
tag,
do.
put away.
Yep.
You and I measured for our belts. They are on the way. On the way! This guy's gonna do something with that fuel line, make it a little more tidy, a little more nice.
Well, it's rubbing
On the bracket.
on the new bracket for the air conditioning, so I'll trim everything down, pull it back, and I think, if I remember correctly, I've got a bracket
Somewhere.
that I can put on to help it kind of stay
Hold it. Help it.
like it's supposed to be.
Thanks, we can do that. When you're done up here,
Mhm.
I think I'm gonna work on the condenser,
Okay.
and then we'll put the radiator back too.
Yeah.
And then we can do those
And we
hoses.
can finish routing the wiring.
And we can
for-
wire up that.
Because this is now all fixed, so we can move this to
And
wherever we need
Locate it in its home.
to. And then put it for its bracket and wiring this way. So we're relayed, fused.
We still need, you know what else I need for that?
Mm.
Temperature trigger to turn those fans on.
I thought we had.
No. there's
No, that's right. Sorry.
They were on a frickin' switch.
That's
like
right, brain fart.
a hillbilly.
Brain fart.
You know, it's not a race car, it's a street car. It should come on
Yeah.
automatically.
Yeah, it's
So,
supposed to do its
and
job.
it should come on automatically when you turn the air on as well.
Correct. And
So we need a controller. So I'm going to get with
I'm going to put that here because I think that'll solve the problem for the extra ground strap.
Mo, and I got to get together on a controller.
Okay.
That'll be a Summit deal.
Okay.
So I can do that and the ignition shit too. So let me get with him. All right, we're moving.